Welcome, today I'm running CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should just select the application, and after that drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder here. If you want to just add here more applications by the same way, just hold them and drag them here to the folder. If you want to give a name to the app or rename it, just click here to edit name or on the name and enter the new one. For example, I'll use the apps. Now just we can see that we successfully renamed our folder. If you want to move it here on the screen, just hold it and then drag it. We can also move the folders between the screens, and we can create the new screens for the folders. That's also not a problem. As you can see, we just should hold and drag it. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, you should hold and drag it to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application here on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, just hold it and after that drag it here to remove icon. And that's it. But don't worry, this application will stay here in the apps menu. You'll remove it only from your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.